Remodeling a building like this is really a balancing act, is getting as much of what you want ideally in a space where there are some architectural elements that you have to work with.
Here's a 100-plus-year-old building that was really the iconic headquarters of the DuPont company, which is where we started from. But we wanted it to be modern, we wanted it to be open, we wanted it to be bright, and we wanted it to be collaborative.
We were very clear on what we wanted this space to be like. There was a rather plain conference room, but when we took down the drop ceiling, we discovered that the room was originally a two-story room with beautiful arches. And the arches were decorated with these acanthus leaf rosettes. We had to bring in a master plasterer and people who understood how to create something based largely on photographs. They're not simply craftspeople. These are individuals who do something extraordinarily well. This gentleman was able to recreate what used to flank this room, which were two American eagles with their wings spread in a very majestic way. When we took this drop ceiling down, they were gone. I'm interested in design elements that withstand the test of time. They are very often based on a certain cleanness of line and an inherent elegance that doesn't have to be old-fashioned. Beautiful expanses of marble that we either could keep untouched from the original building or reclaim from other parts of the building and reuse. Even the chandeliers themselves are this wonderful amalgam of a respect for the old and an affinity for the new. Such a collaborative effort of people who brought their expertise, their really quite extraordinary expertise, to bear on making all of this come together.
We wanted a global headquarters that our employees would be extremely proud of. I think our employees are just going to absolutely love working and playing in this space.